Since mababa na po yung blood sugar level ko, no, 109, I'll take this opportunity to test another fruit. So try po natin banana, isang piraso lang po, and we'll see kung ano po yung magiging blood sugar spike po niya. One hour na po. So, kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. And we'll see kung ano po yung epekto ni banana. Yan. Taas ha? 163. Balik po ulit ako after an hour and we'll see kung ano po yung magiging final blood sugar spike ni One Piece Banana. See ya! Final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Yan po, 128, no? So, it's within threshold. 140 po yung threshold natin. So, this is the blood sugar measurement after 2 hours of eating one piece of banana. So, pwede naman po siya. For as long as, wala na pong ibang kakainin. Pero, if you're planning to eat this as a snack, I don't think na maganda siya. Dapat sobrang minimal lang po ng blood sugar spike po natin. Okay? So see you guys in the next vlog. Goodbye.